Hey guys, it's That Easy, not because I'm easy, because I make everything look easy. And I'm back again with another video. So today I have this little wig installed, this orange ginger wig. Luvme sent me this hair, so shout out to them. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video, because what am I posting for if you're not going to be commenting and liking and subscribing? Please let me know. So let's get right into it. So to begin off with, I just put this white line on my forehead where I want to put my glue. And I just started putting my glue. I did 2 to 3 layers. You're probably also wondering why I didn't do the ball cap method. Well, one, this wig is very thick, and I just decided I was just gonna color the lace with some concealer if I was gonna part it. But I didn't need to do the ball cap method with this lace. The knots didn't even bleach. So the wig probably wasn't 100% natural human hair. Maybe like a hybrid, I'm not sure. So now I'm just putting the wig on. And this wig install is so backwards. Like, I didn't even tint the lace or nothing. But it came out really good. So proud of myself for that. But I definitely BS this. I was just over it. Like, this day was just crazy. It was crazy. So instead of tinting the lace, I just went across the edges with a little bit of concealer or foundation. I forgot what I used, but it was just so that it blended in with my skin. And you could tell this install is backwards because you're supposed to cut the ear pieces before you glue the wig down. But for some reason, I was backwards. It was just a lot going on. Don't judge me. So now I'm just getting my edges out the way so I could further melt the lace into my skin, which we'll see soon. Now I'm just going in with my Bond Spray by Ebin, just for some more security on the lace melt. And after you're done with that, you're just going to want to go ahead and tie that down with your elastic band. Now, like I said before, I'm not sure if this hair is hybrid or not, but I was blow drying it to get it as straight as possible so that my curls will come out nicer, and it just was not doing what I needed it to do. But all in all, it did come out nice, so who am I to complain? Now, to make sure my curls came out as nice as possible, I went in with my old-fashioned Bio Silk. Not too much. And I also did put some heat protectant on it before I used the blow dryer. And I never usually part my hair when I'm flat ironing. I know I should, but this hair was so thick that I could not manage it, and it was getting hot. Like, it was getting so hot. So I definitely parted this wig before I flat ironed it. The sections that I took out were also very little. I went over the hair twice. Like I said, it was very thick, so it was not flat ironing the way that I needed it to. So I went over it twice with the heat on 400. So on your right is how you see the finished product look before I started curling. While the glue was sitting, I was flat ironing so it had some time to securely attach to my skin. Now I'm on to cutting my lace, so I cut it into 3 sections with scissors, and then I went in with my eye razor and cut the excess lace off. This is how it turned out. The lace was Swiss lace, so it's very thick and you could clearly see it. So I had to do a little bit more melting. So after I finished melting it some more, I went ahead and started my edges. I lost the footage of me doing my edges, so it's just gonna skip to my edges basically being finished, which is so annoying, but yeah. So almost finished. This is the hair bone straight. This was actually really cute like this too, but the brand insisted that I curled the hair. So that's what I did. And they wanted a middle part, but I didn't like the way it looked. So I ended up doing a side part. So the way I achieved my curls is the hair closest to my face, I curled towards my face. And then the hair towards the sides and the back of my head, I curled away from my face. I don't know how to explain it, but if it makes sense, it makes sense. So these are all the curls finished. The back curls weren't really curled. It was hard for me to get to the back, and like I said, the hair is thick, so it was just too much. But this is the hair before I comb it out. So I'm just gonna spray it with a little bit of holding spray just so that the curls stay longer throughout the day, maybe a couple days. And now I'm just gonna begin to comb the curls out. So the way that I did it is I combed the curls backwards and then pushed it forward with my hand just to give it a more blended effect. So I combed all the curls together backwards and then I pushed it forward with my hand. So this is basically the finished product. It's giving Jessica Rabbit, it's giving Poison Ivy, all that goodness. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what I should do next. I want to start getting into more story times. Might do a Omegle or something. Something cute, maybe TikTok challenges. I'm not sure. But like, comment, and subscribe. That's my last time saying it. And I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Mwah.